Hello and welcome. Let's see what my tarot cards say for you for the day. Let's see what is the guidance from my tarot cards. The first card that I have got for you is the Nine of Wands. Now this card suggests strength in opposition. Basically it says आ जाओ देखें किसमें कितना है दम. So yes, if you are in a situation where you are feeling that someone is still behind you, someone is there to hurt you, so it shows your strength that let them come, I will see what they can do, right? So again, this is also standing up for yourself. Even if you are hurt, even if some people have hurt you, this is the time to show that you have strength, you are worth it, okay? And this fight basically worth it, okay? So what this card suggests, that whatever is coming to you in the form of any kind of challenge, you have to take it, you have to fight with it, you have to take it on your head and say, okay, bring it on, I'm ready to do it, I'm ready to fight it. So this is what my Nine of Wands suggests for you, suggestion for you. Now the second card that I have for you is the Claircognizance. Claircognizance say, pay attention to the thoughts and ideas that come to you as they are answered prayers. So yes, this card suggests that if you are thinking about something, if you have any kind of ideas, recurring ideas or recurring thoughts, then that is your answered prayers. You must be asking for something, but you are not getting that result, but you are having repeated thoughts or ideas about something, so that is the answer to your prayer. So be careful of your thoughts, be careful of your ideas, that whatever is going on in your mind, whatever is happening around you, you have to take care of that. And if there is any particular nagging thought is there, that means that is your answer. The next card I have for you is the Regret. Now this card is from the Soul's Journey lesson card. So right now, what is your lesson from the journey that you are on? So right now it is saying regret. I know that I cannot change the past. Now your soul does not know any timeline, right? Time is construct of the physical dimension, as you all are aware. To your soul, there is only one big now. The one that you have created in the past, that is also your now. The one that is going that you are going to create, that is also your now. So there is no future, there is no past. So if there is no past, then you need to let it go. Regret is the emotion that you need to let it go. Right now your soul lesson for you is regret. You need to let it go. You know that you cannot change the past. Whatever you did, whatever the regrets you have at this point of time, whether in terms of your career or in terms of relationship or in terms of your finances, anything, right now you need to let it go. Don't think about what if, right? So there is no point of thinking about what if. So your future is your now. Whatever you are going to do now, that will decide your future. So you need to learn to be in now. So from all these three cards, I can say that be a little careful. Whatever life is bringing on, get it on, accept it. Pay attention to your ideas, pay attention to your thoughts, and let go of your past. Don't regret anything. It was meant to be happened. Okay, so I think this is it from me. Have a good day. Thank you.